So I'm going to give a quick example showing how to compile using the new L3D library in the Spark editor and then bring it down to a computer. So you bring the compiled file down into the computer and then you load it onto a cube using USB. So to start with, we go to Spark and we open it up. That's not good. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go into the code and I'm going to create a new app. I'm just going to call Blink. So I'm going to do a simple example using the library of blinking an LED off and on. So now I'm going over to the Libraries tab here, and I'm going to type in the L3D library. So here it is. It comes up, and I scroll down, and I say Include in App, and I include it in Blink, Add to this app. So it'll now automatically, at the very front, include a little include the header files I need, and then I'm good to go. If you did have any questions about how this stuff is going to work, there's a bunch of examples here, including like a blink example, fireworks example, and you can have a look if you want to use it. You can scroll down and say use this example, and it brings it down and makes a new program for you, and you can just edit directly from there. It's super easy. Let's go back to Blink. So I'm just going to create a little object. So this is all the basic cube stuff. And now I'm just going to say a very simple thing. I'm going to say cube set voxel 333. So that says at the XYZ point 333, set that voxel to be red. I'm going to say cube show. So cube.show refreshes the cube and tells the cube to write everything in memory out to the LEDs. So that says like display the stuff right now. Now I'm going to delay a second. Now I'm going to say cube.background black. So it sets everything black. I'm going to show that. So this is going to blink one of the voxels in the cube, red and black, over and over and over again. So I can now test it. So if it compiles, then I'm set. So it compiled down here. If it didn't compile, if there was any issue, it would give me errors down here, and I could work through it to debug it. So now that it compiled, I'm going to open up this code window again, and I can say download the firmware binary. And you can see right here, it saves the firmware binary. So now I have a cube connected over USB. So I hold down, I flip it upside down, so I look at the Spark core on the bottom, and I hold down the mode button and tap reset. And after about a second, it starts flashing yellow. That says it's ready to receive a program over USB. So now I'm going to open up Terminal, and I'm going to type Spark flash USB. So that tells it that I'm going to load it over USB, and then I'm just going to drag this guy over there. And it's going to think about it, and now it's talking to the Spark, and it's loading up this file. So now it's loaded. The Spark automatically resets, and now it's showing that, you can't see it on the screen, but it's showing that LED blinking in my cube. So that's it.